First things first, I'm happy to have my daughter with me helping. She's my assistant cook. We are going to make mac and cheese today. Super easy and fun. My name is Dern. I was a fire captain for Fresno Fire. I'm retired and came back today to cook lunch for everybody. Skin those things. My hands don't work so good, but I love to cook. My wife made me this handy little chopping device, and it's really been helpful. She's my angel, got me through all the mess. This is a long time ago, 9 years ago, 2015. We were venting a roof on a house that was burning, and the building collapsed. The roof collapsed, and I went in, and it was fully involved inside the room I was in, and firefighters instantly went into rescue mode for me. Saved my life. I have had 89 surgeries so far, but I'm doing good. I can cook even though I gotta have a helper. And the good thing about being retired is I don't have to worry about the phone going off. Start the water boiling for the pasta in a cast iron skillet. I brown the meat, prepare all the vegetables, saute those. And then about that same time, the pasta is done. Put the meat and all the other ingredients in the pan. The sauce is cream of chicken and some cheddar cheese in a can, and then also real cheddar cheese. Put it back into the cast iron skillet. You can eat it just like that, but I like to broil it just a little bit to get the cheese kind of crispy on top. So just a little finished broil to make it look good. Excited, my daughter's working for the fire department now. Everybody says she's the much better looking version and much better attitude version, and I agree with both.
I grew up in the fire family. These are my aunts and uncles, and when everything happened, they were the ones that helped take care of us, and they were our support system.
I really realized what a brotherhood the fire department is. They took care of my family, my wife, my daughter. They helped me heal physically, working out with me, mentally, because that's probably the hardest part. It was a horrible thing that happened, but it made me love the fire department even more.